on Tropical Storm Lala. If I zoom out now, you can see the system nearing the Hawaiian Islands. It has intensified to winds of 65 miles per hour, and even though there's been some dry air ingestion, evidenced by the cloud tops that aren't as high, like there is an eye trying to form in this system. Like it's it's very serious, very dangerous. If I look at Zoom Earth, get rid of the ads. Right now, winds of 65 miles per hour. Hurricane warning for the Big Island. Tropical storm warning for Maui, and tropical storm watches for the other islands. These will likely get upgraded to tropical storm warnings tomorrow. This is a really dangerous situation. Everybody needs to prepare now. Damaging hurricane force winds are expected. Laws are becoming better organized. This is a very dangerous system. And also, if I look at the cyclonicweather.com, the system has a very large wind radii. This is all damaging winds. So winds of 39 miles per hour or higher. It is in this green extent. Winds of 50 knots or 60 miles per hour in this wind radii. If I zoom in, like this is gonna cover most or all of the Hawaiian Islands. Like damaging winds will overspread all of the islands. This is a very dangerous system. People need to take it very seriously. Everybody needs to hunker down and be prepared. With windy, here's the track again, 65 miles per hour. Tomorrow, 75 miles per hour. Then it makes its rare and historic landfall on the Big Island. Or slightly better, but not that much better. Skirts south. It will still bring very heavy rainfall and damaging winds, though. If like the wind gusts, there are going to be very strong wind gusts overspreading the islands. Storm force wind gusts. But winds are going to be very strong, very powerful. If like the icon model, tomorrow, when the system is going to cause hurricane force wind gusts across Maui and the Big Island, but mainly across the Big Island. And then it's going to move away and re-strengthen, but by that point, it's going to have to see. If I look at it right now, here's the track. Once again, if I look at the forecast models, look at the halves B. It's important that this model can be a little over aggressive on hurricanes. It works like really well for weaker systems. So 70 mile per hour winds pushing the islands. Winds slightly weakened, but not that much of a difference. Very strong winds. There's massive bands of heavy rain overspreading the islands. This is a really dangerous concern. Everybody needs to be aware, hunker down. There could be isolated supercells in these bands, bringing water spouts and tornadoes. And then then it moves over the Big Island. The winds are going to be really powerful, really damaging. And then the system weakens down from land interaction, brings dangerous winds to the islands, and then moves away. And if I look at the simulated infrared satellite, this is plus 3 hours. Convection rises again, pulls up, big cloudburst. There's a weak eye trying to form in here. And then it strengthens, and then gains that hurricane strength again, and may even become a major hurricane out over open water. But by that time, like the impacts will be done. It will eliminate this historic landfall. Also, there's Tropical Depression Hernan that weakened down, but it's not going to be a threat to anyone. So to reiterate, hurricane warnings for the Big Island, tropical storm warnings for Maui, and tropical storm watches for the other islands. Tropical storm Lala will make landfall on the Big Island, or skirt just south of it, as a low-end hurricane. It'll bring dangerous rainfall, extreme winds, particularly in mountainous areas, and there's going to be large seas along with it. As a storm bear, and also one final thing. Remember that as the storm bears down, the Lord is above all. He is the one who protects. He is the one who saves. He is the light in the darkness. Thank you for watching.